Guys, what's up? It's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I use this Revlon one-step hair tool to dry my hair. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So the first part is when I'm drying my hair, I like to use a primer spray. This is the Ava NYC 10-in-1 Magic Spray. So Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer is what it's called. So it has argan oil, sunflower oil. I believe it also acts like a heat protectant na rin. So it preps your hair whenever you're using heat on it, as well as it gives it enough moisture kasi when you put heat on your hair, it really dries it out. So I always start my hair care routine with this. It's super easy. You just spray it all over your face. Sobrang sanay mag-makeup. So it's super easy to use. You just spray it all over your hair and make sure everything is everywhere talaga. So I just came from the shower, so my hair is super wet. It's not even damp, it's like totally wet from the shower. So what I like to do is I like to divide it into two parts. So let me grab a hair tie because I guess I left my hair tie over there at my vanity. So I just like to divide my hair into two and then tie this section up there. So I like to start at the back part of my hair. So I just grab like a section. This is enough. And then I grab the brush and I just brush it out. So I'm gonna turn the hairbrush on. I'm just gonna put it in the low setting kasi you have three settings. You have cool, and then you have low, and then you have high. I don't like using super high heat on my hair, so I'm just gonna put it on low. There, once that's a little bit damp na lang, what I do is I move on to the next section. So I just grab another section of my hair and just do the same thing until I get to like the end, and then I'll show you guys what I do after. So once I'm done with the entire section, it's a little bit damp na lang. What I do is I grab the entire section and then I run my brush through it like this, still in the low setting. And then once it's like completely dry, I go to the cool setting to set the entire hair. To set the entire hair, like to set the entire face. So I go to the cool setting to set my hair. And there you have it. This side is done. Let's now go over to this side of my hair. We'll do it section by section. So this section first, and then we'll put some heat on it. So I like running my fingers through my hair just to see if there are any spots na super damp pa. That way I can go back and apply heat on it para maset ko na siya with the cool setting. first layer is done now. Tanggalin na natin to. There. So, I just put like this top part of my hair into a bun para medyo numipis and mas mabilis yung drying time nung i-blow dry natin na hair. So, same procedure lang every section. So, you divided, seems like I divided my hair into 3 now. Now we're down to the last part. Last section of my hair. There. So once my entire head of hair is dried down, what I like to do is go back to the cool setting tapos redo my entire, not really redo, but like just go through my entire hair all at once. Like, so, tignan nyo na lang. Of course, I need to get my comb for my bangs. So once I'm done, what I do is I finish off with like a leave-in conditioner. This one is from Hue. I got it from a FabFitFun box. Personally, don't buy this brand because it's a little bit too expensive for me. Pero I love it. I've had this since last year and marami pa naman siya. So I'm still trying to finish this. So it's like a leave-in conditioner just to bring back the moisture in my hair, lalo na sa ends. I just focus this on my ends. I don't really put it up top para may onting volume siya and may shape. Hindi siya nawi-weigh down. So that is how I dry my hair using the Revlon one-step hair tool. So I love it because as opposed to using a hair dryer and then a hairbrush separately, tapos you're using two hands at once, isang ganun lang. Quick and easy lang to dry my hair. It takes me like around 20 minutes to dry my entire hair when it's completely wet, out of the shower wet. Pero when it's damp, like I usually apply my makeup first and then dry my hair after. This takes like roughly 10 minutes. It takes me half of the time kasi damp na lang yung hair ko, and it's super easy like I said, and it doesn't really damage my hair that much, which is really good. I don't know how it doesn't do that because the heat directly comes out from this like hairbrush. Ayan, makikita mo yung holes dito. So I don't know how it does that kasi every time after I use this, it doesn't make my hair dry naman. But also know that I try my best to take care of my hair then by bringing in like a heat protectant and a leave-in conditioner to make sure na it's still moisturized even though I'm using heat on it para hindi siya mata-dry out. So those are the two pros. The cons is medyo mabigat siya and it's bulky. Yun lang yung ayoko sa kanya. So I really can't travel with this because it takes up a lot of space and it's a little bit heavy. So after a while, medyo nangangalay na ako. Pero overall, I still love it. It's only like $50. And if I want to buy the DYSON, sobrang pangarap. I've always dreamed of getting the DYSON pero I just can't put myself into buying it. It's like around $500 and then it's not universal. It's not dual voltage pa. So something to note when you're buying the DYSON, if you're traveling, you can't really bring that as well. So yun. Kaya that's why I think this is actually enough na for me for now. Who knows, maybe one day I'll buy the DYSON, but I really love this. I've never tried the DYSON one. I do know that the air on that one produces less heat pero it dries your hair pretty quickly din daw. Pero I've heard mixed reviews. Some say na super mabilis masira yun. But anyway, we're not talking about that. We're talking about this Revlon one-step hair tool. It's what I use to dry my hair when I'm in a rush. And I love it. If you want to pick it up, I'll put links of this product down in the description bar. And if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Once again, it's Eunice. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!